Hey everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am sneaking in today because I have the December kit from White Rose Crafts. The December holiday, I don't even think it's holiday, I think it's winter. The December winter kit is out. It is, whoa! I'm so excited I'm knocking things over. My whole world's probably crooked now. But the December kit is here, it is ready to be peeked at. I barely know what's in it. I know it's holiday theme and I know it is modern. So I've got scissors. Are we ready for this? Here we go. I know. Me cutting things open. It's always so exciting. You probably can't even see me cutting things open. There we go. It's always so well packaged. Not sarcasm. Oh. Now, I will tell you, seen a couple pictures, but I try to avoid it. I try to avoid what's in here so that when I open the box, I can be pleasantly surprised about it along with you. Here we go. Okay, there's the peek. There's the peek. Let's go through it one by one. We'll start with the big stuff. Here we go. Here comes the big stuff. Okay, we have some Kaiser Craft stickers, and they are Christmas jewel stickers. So there's some sentiments, there's some orders. There's a couple really nice phrases. There's a bunch of the sentiments down here. So that's fun. I like the colors. I like the purple. Here we go. Next page. Woo! Fun, 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 fun. Okay, I have some of this. I've been playing with some of this. This is lace paper. There's two sides. One is a little bit matter. You can kind of feel where the sorry, this is the good side. This is the icky side. You can kind of feel where the fiber has been adhered to it, but this is called lace paper. And it's this nice beige tone, so that's fun. And then this, I can do this. I can remember what it's called. No, I can't. But I will come up with the name because I have some. I've been playing with some. But you can see how reflective it is. Like, it's incredibly shiny. Look at that blue color. So both of these are really, really fun. I played with some of these, I think, last week on my Thanksgiving card. So there's those papers. And then the final of the big papers. Ooh, this is really thick cardstock. So this is Scrap, here we go. Let's see if I can scoot up a little bit. Scrap Berries Elegant Festive Collection. But I love this because I can cut all these out and have some really nice tags to use. I love the colors. Like, this isn't your traditional color Christmas palette, but love this. Okay. What else? Those are the bigs. We've got one more big. Ooh. Okay, you can't see it. Let's see if I can get it. This is some glitter paper. Look how pretty that is. And like, I'm gonna be able to make so many snowbanks with this. So some glitter paper. While we're talking paper, let's pull out some more paper. So, like normal, there is some 6x6 scrapbooking paper or printed paper. Let's see what it is. We've got purple snowflakes. And you can't see it, but it's almost like there's a little metallic to this. So, green, mauve. How about mauve? Pink. We get some of that green stripes, mauve stripes. Pink deer, purpley deer. I don't know if that's coming out purple, but it's purple. Pale pink, mauve again, or lavender, lavender. Some ornaments and some more stripes. So the paper is so you've got 4 snowflakes. You got some stripes, you got some ornaments, and then you have some deer. That's very exciting. It's gonna make nice backgrounds. So there's the paper. Let's see what else we got. In the land of paper, I'm pulling out what feels like okay, so it's a card frame with matching envelope. And this is not an A2 card size. Let's see what this is. This is almost 6 inches by a little over 7 inches. So not a card size frame I'm used to playing with, but I'm kind of excited because it feels like a good holiday card size. And it comes with its own envelope. Now for the goodies. Here we go. We'll start with this. We have some Scrapberry. I can do this. I can open things. There we go. I'm opening. We have some Scrapberry stain ink. This works a little bit like, if you haven't played with this, this is a water reactive. It's in purple. It's a water reactive so, ooh, that is a bold purple. That wasn't a bad sound. That was just, so there's the purple. Oh, so cool. Okay. And like I said, this is water reactive. So if I pull out, and this is just regular cardstock, it's nothing fancy. But if I pull out a water brush, you can see that I move it. In fact, you can take an acrylic block, smear the ink on it, and watercolor with it. Oh, nice. The purple stays purple. Like it doesn't, like I touched it here and it went kind of pink on me, but if I use the acrylic block, it's still a really nice purple. And again, this is just basic cardstock. So yes, so some stain Scrapberry ink, and we've got some new Dove glitter glue. Pull that back out. Let's see if this is open. Because we're all used to doing this. Let's see. Oh, come on. Yep, it just needed a little. Got a lot of glue on that one. Ignore me. Ignore me, I'm being silly. Okay, I need to work with this one a little bit. We'll just, there we go. So this is Dove Craft Glitter Glue in Crystal. But there it is. So it's clear, but it's got the nice glittery effect to it. So there are those. I'll get rid of this. Now for the trinkets. We'll start here. I'm not going to pour them out this month because last month I dropped them on the floor. But we have the Sparkle Blends Very Merry collection. It's been built to match the papers in this. And it looks like there's Christmas trees and holly. This the Sparkle Blend collection is exclusive just to this kit. You can't buy this in the store. The only way to get this package right here is to order the kit, just so you know. What else is in here? Let's do the stamps. Here's the stamps. Okay. Stamp 1. It is Dove Craft. It is, let's see if we got a name on it. Christmas Wishes? Magic and Sparkle? They don't make this easy sometimes to find the names. Anyway. It's 3 snowflakes and 3 sentiments. Let it snow, joy, and Christmas wishes. And then from Kaiser Craft, I saw a peek of this one. I'm really excited about this one. It is snowflakes coming down. So yeah, Kaiser Craft Snows Fade, and it's called Fading Dots, but look at that, it looks absolutely like snowflakes. So there's the stamps included in this month's kit. I'm finding at the bottom of my paper another card frame. This one in a textured blue with a matching envelope. Yay! I love when envelopes match. We have some Scrapberry Happy Holidays. They look like little fleur-de-lis is going to be wrong, but it's in a cream and a pink. Let's see, Pearl Sticker Appliques. Happy Holidays 2. So we've got 4 of those. Here comes the buttons and charms. Okay, we have 5 snowflake buttons, and it looks like they're all different, or there's a collection of them. How pretty are those? And if you've never seen me play with the buttons before, I snip the backs off and they become flat. And then there's 2 really cute snowman charms. There they are. So, because I made the fatal error of opening things again, I'm gonna save that for last. Okay, so here's the wood veneers. There's often wood veneers in the White Rose Crafts subscription kit. These are all holiday themed. So you got some trees, you've got some ornaments, you've got some holly, you got some stars. But the fun little wood veneers, if you've never played with wood veneers, you can stain them, you can paint them, you can put ink on them. Distressed ink goes just fine on them. They're you can kind of make them any color you want, or you can leave them in the natural wood and oh, well crap, now I know what I'm doing with these. I am so going to end up using all of these in just one card. Look. Look what it made. It's a tree. Yeah, I warn you now, I'm going to use all of them in one card. And I'm going to make a tree out of them. Because look how pretty that is. Anyway, coming soon, and if you've seen one of my unboxing videos of the kit, you know what's coming is I have a 3-part series of 5 fast cards that you can make using the supplies in the card. Each of the series has 5 brand new cards that I make using nothing but these supplies and maybe a handful of distress inks or card frames just to get me up to 5 for that day. These are going on one of them. Okay, and to finally, because these are kind of new, they haven't done these yet before in a subscription kit, so I'm pulling them out. But they're bows. Look how pretty those are. Aren't those pretty? So we have some really pretty bows. So here we go. Here is all of the lovely goodness coming to you in the December kit. It's got a bunch of papers. It's got a bunch of specialty papers with the lace paper and the reflective paper and the glitter paper. It's got the tags that are coming with it and the stickers, the card frames, and all the paper. Stay tuned to see what you can do with this. Hope you're as excited as I am about this non-traditional holiday look. Happy crafting, everybody.